This is a boat that came in. They were having some carburetor issues, so they purchased this carburetor off the internet and took that one off. And we explained to them that 90% of the ones that look like that silver one out there don't work, which is just what we found out. So we took his old one, rebuilt it, put it on. Now go ahead and start it up. Started and running good. Here's the carburetor kit that the parts that we took out of his old one. But the main thing is, go ahead and spin it up just a little bit.